How to use Grok AI with voice commands. If voice input is available for your reason, Grok AI can be even more interactive. And here's how to use it hands-free. First, open Grok AI inside X and look for the microphone icon beside the chat box, or you can even access Grok AI from the website itself. Tap on the microphone icon you see and you will see the voice indicator appear. Now simply speak your prompt like summarize today's top news or write a tweet about coffee lovers. When you finish speaking, tap the mic again to stop recording. Grok will instantly process your request and display the response as text. Speak naturally and pause briefly between phrases. It helps Grok transcribe your words more accurately. Have you tried talking to AI yet? Tell us how it went in the comments below. And that's how you can use Grok AI with voice commands. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.